Hey guys, welcome to N.P. Detailing, another video for you. Doing cars, detailing, that kind of stuff, washing cars, machine polishing. So today I'm at the unit. I'm just renting some space in a village, nice little quiet area. And today I'm working on this. Volvo XC90. So today I'm just going to be doing a maintenance wash for the customer. It's not too bad, to be honest. It's a nearly new car. Loads of flies though on the front end. It's a 67 plate. It is low miles, and customer wants it cleaned. It's a new customer. He's going to give me some other cars. He's got an amazing 300 SL Classic Merc, which I'm going to be doing a full paint correction on, and also a 911 Porsche. So today I'm just going to be doing the outside of this. This is a good wash, decontamination, and just a clean up of the interior. So just a hoover, clean up the seats, treat the leather, make sure it's protected. So the inside's not too bad. And let's have a look at the rear seats. So rear seats ain't too bad. The boot's quite clean. Looks like it's hardly been used. I love that electric boot. Engine bay is a little bit dusty, but nothing major. What do you expect for a nearly year-old car? So not too bad. Give that spray down, clean up, bit of a dressing, and that's it. Watch this space. Don't forget, add some comments below if you want to know what products I'm using, and I can try and answer your questions. So there you have it, another video, maintenance wash and clean up on the interior, condition the leather seats on its XC90 Volvo. So all in all taking me about 5-6 hours. I know it's a lot for a wash, but it needed some TLC. As you've seen in the video, it looks a lot nicer, and I'm sure the customer will be happy. So quick video from me here in Turlington at the unit. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, please hit subscribe if you want to see some more videos. I've got loads of cars coming, bikes as well. Give us a thumbs up, add some comments below. It would be nice if you had some interaction. Ask me some questions, I'll try my best to answer them. And also don't forget that notification bell so you know when I put a video up. And hope to see you soon. The rain's held off today, so I'm quite happy. Go home, have a nice cup of tea now. Take care, guys. Catch you in the next video. Cheers for watching now.